What Mac is up to this morning with the weather.
Well, it's very interesting that, we dropped our water level down to 39.9, and now this coming weekend, we could be erasing that and putting it back up because we're looking for some significant rain to roll in. First time in a long time that we have this kind of rain, probably 6-7 months that we've had any significant rain. So we're going to be talking about that right now. You're 74 degrees as you head out. Yesterday we had 94, today 92, and the temperatures are going to slowly come down as the tropical moisture rolls in. You'll see more cloud cover and more possibilities for rain. This is a forecast highs today in the 90s out west. Well, that's an improvement over 105, which we saw not too long ago. Yesterday we did get a few little showers around the area. Some people did get some nice rain. It wasn't much. It was about 5 minutes long, but at least it was something. And we actually got a trace of rain out at the airport, believe it or not. Everybody else today will be continuing the possibilities of getting some of those isolated showers, but this isn't the heavy stuff. This is the beginning of it, okay? So we'll see. We'll call them isolated today, then scattered by tomorrow, and then numerous as we get on into the weekend. The big change for us is that the bubble of hot air on top of us has moved north. The heat wave is out basically over the Rockies now, and so we've got a lot of tropical activity. First on the Pacific coast, normally we wouldn't worry about this, but Bud has some different opinions. Bud is going to be rolling into Cabo San Lucas tonight with 45-mile-an-hour winds, so it's not a hurricane, not a pretty day, but could be a lot worse. The remnants of Bud are definitely going to be drifting into the desert southwest, and there's a big question mark is they go that way into our area or that way. So, it's a little bit iffy on the computer models. Let's go back to the Caribbean, and here's the big concern that we're watching. Now, it is an easterly wave. It is over land right now. It does have a circulation. It is an investigative area, but it's over land, so it's not going to strengthen much today. When it reemerges out over the Gulf, it probably will strengthen, and it will likely head into Texas. What's happening for us is that as our atmosphere is becoming more unstable, all this moisture streaming northbound, and that's going to give us a shot at several days of rain. Can you believe it? Here's what we're looking at in the next 48 hours. You can see less than an inch of rain. Most of the heavy stuff through at least Saturday morning is still offshore. Sunday is the peak of the event, and that is Father's Day, but that's the way it works out, so we may have to do something indoors with Dad. We are looking at the wave over the Yucatan. You can see how it comes out over the Gulf right about there. It sort of regenerates, and it continues its northwestward drift, being in our area certainly by Saturday night, and Sunday is looking a little bit unstable around here. Now, how much rain is always a big question, but since it's going to be for several days, we're going to be looking at between Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, I'm thinking 2 to 4 inches. Okay, we haven't seen that in a while. The tropical showers will be isolated today, but getting more and more numerous. I think Saturday may be sort of off, 50-50 chance. Sunday, pretty good chance we'll have numerous showers around our area, and that's just in time for Father's Day. Hey, we'll be